Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today I have quite the collection of products for you and I've emptied all of them. So I'm going to talk you through my thoughts on them, if I would repurchase them and what I'm replacing it with if I have a replacement. So let's go. This is going to be very quick and to the point because I have quite a few to talk about. So let's start with Bodycare, probably the biggest category of products that I've accumulated, starting with Sol de Janeiro's Body Badalada. I don't know if that's the name, but it's a vitamin infused lotion. This one smells really good, just like every single Sol de Janeiro product. It is quite hydrating, but I really prefer like a much more long lasting, hard hitting moisturizer for my body because I have extremely dry skin. So I feel like this one is not the perfect choice for me personally. Then I finished another tube of Bioderma's atoderm creme. This, is like my ultimate body cream. It even can be used on your face, but I don't know, I just have gotten so used to using it on my body that I just love the feeling of slathering this on. I feel like every single empties video I make, I feature this product because it's that loved by me. Then I finally emptied Fenty Skin's body moisturizer. This is called Butta Drop. It's a body milk actually. So true to its name, it's very lightweight, it's very hydrating, it smells really good actually, not overpowering, because as someone who doesn't like scented body products, this one I actually didn't mind. The only thing is I don't like pump packaging in body care because I feel like I can never get to the bottom and actually empty the product. Sometimes once you do like 1-2 drops of this, slather it on your body, you have to come back for seconds, and because it's a glass bottle, every single time I was so scared I would drop it and break it. So I don't think I'll repurchase this just for like the logistical reasons, but it's a very like luxurious treat if you're in the mood for it. Then we have Caudalie's body butter. This one is like a thick moisturizer, so it felt very much up my alley. The only thing though I felt is that it is not the most pleasant smell. I don't know, there's something about it, it smells a bit different. I wouldn't say it's unpleasant, but it's just a scent like I don't love. That's a very vague description, but it is thick. I used it by mixing a few drops of body oil into it so that the smell was bearable. A lot of moisturizers of mine I like to mix with a little bit of body oil, so in that way I was able to like literally empty this one. And I like the curvature of the little tub because you get like all of the product out. And for body oil that I paired with a mixture of moisturizers, I have one of my favorites. This is Aminu vitamin C body oil. This one is so smooth and it just makes you feel so like luxurious, as if you're in a spa. I just really like it. They've also upgraded their packaging and it's no longer in a glass bottle and it comes with a pump, so I feel it makes it easier to use. With this one I actually was able to get like every last bit of it out, even though this is a pump packaging. This is just one of my favorite body oils. I like repurchase it, or the brand sends it to me so often that I go through so many of these. I'm pretty sure I've talked about it before. As someone who goes through body care products a lot, I'm replacing these right now with 52 Sundays SPF 50 oat milk ceramide body lotion. I also have Araina by Ashneet's whipped body butter to shuffle in between, so that's my replacement. As for in shower products, I have Bioderma's atoderm huile douche. This is a cleansing oil for your body, and if you have irritation prone sensitive skin or just really dry skin on your body, get this. It is like the Loccitane one, but it's got a much fresher smell, so it doesn't feel like something you want to save for a special occasion. You just want to use this because it feels like you're still cleansing your body without stripping it at all. So it's like a cross between like a really good fresh smelling body bar, and I use this all the time. And the replacement for this is another one of these. It's like right there in my shower right now and I'm almost finished with that also. The next empty we have is Old School Rituals hand worked red sandalwood and saffron cleansing powder. This is like an uptan. You mix a little bit of this in water and it becomes like a paste. You slather it on and then wash it off. I really love the texture of this, the smell of this, the feel of this. I just love the polishing feeling it gives. I also don't love polishing my body too much because, as I said, I have dry skin and it's not the best idea to be scrubbing your dry skin like that. So this is very gentle, and also you just require such a small amount of this every single time you use this. I feel like the brand took us to Hyderabad. That was like 2 or 3 years ago now. I also finished Ouai's scalp and body scrub, although I did not use this as a scalp scrub because I have dry skin, as I've mentioned like the 500 times already in this video. I was told not to scrub my scalp or exfoliate my scalp too much lest it cause dandruff or any other sort of complications, so I use this solely as a body scrub. I just love the smell of it. I feel like it smells like very tropical, coconutty. It smells like their body mist, but in scrub form. It washes off really easily, doesn't leave a sticky, oily residue. It does everything you want a scrub to do in all the right ways. I really enjoyed it. My replacement for a scrub right now is First Aid Beauty's, their iconic scrubbing. What? That scrubbing product. You know the name. You know it. Okay. And I also have Araina by Ashneet's hand and foot scrub, which I actually use all over my body. So yeah, those are my Bodycare empties. Let's move on maybe to, shall we do skincare? Let's do some skincare. Okay, starting with Loccitane's hand cream. This one was such a treat. Every time I use this, I just feel like the bougiest person in the room. Feels so clean girl because my hands just like are shimmering and glistening with moisture. So I really enjoy this. Now I'm using their 25% shea butter hand cream. That one is supposed to be more moisturizing than this, but this one is like pretty good for India. I feel like that one is just gimmicky and went very viral, so I went and bought it. And yeah, I don't hate that, but I think for India this is better. But that one is better for the nighttime when you're sleeping and stuff. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoy a lot of L'Occitane products, I feel. Okay, then for serum, fully emptied this Roundlab 1024 dokdo ampoule. This one has such a unique texture, even though it's a hyaluronic acid serum. It feels kind of silicone-y. I don't know, something about it felt so nice on the skin that I just like drank it up. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm replacing my skincare products with because I have so many. Then I also emptied this syringe like contraption that I got from Korea from the pharmacy. This is, I don't even think there's a brand name. Hanmi Pro Calm Fusi Medi Repair Shot Ampoule. This was like very similar to the Dokdo ampoule. It's like a straight up just hydration ampoule. It's like hyaluronic acid serum. So I really enjoyed that. It also felt so cool to be squeezing out my serum from this syringe every time. I don't think this is fully absolutely empty. I don't think it's even possible to finish your skincare products that come in a tube packaging like this without cutting them open, but this is my holy grail clay mask. I just had to get rid of it now and consider it empty because I couldn't get the rest out and I'm pretty sure it's expired. So this does magical things for my skin. It's called Origins Retexturising Mask with Rose Clay. I discovered this when I was in the UK in 2018, and even then I was so shocked by how like amazing it was at reducing all these like skin colored bumps and texture just in like a couple of uses. I don't know, it's just so good, and the scent now is like full of nostalgia for me. So I highly recommend this mask, and I, as a dry skin person, don't even use and like clay masks, but this one is amazing. My replacement for that is the Dearest brightening mask, which is also really good. Then I've emptied You to the People's kale and green tea spinach superfood cleanser. This one, even though it's really expensive, I am so aware it's so expensive. It's like 4,500 rupees for a cleanser and 7,000 rupees for the refill. It's so ridiculous, and I don't know why I bought the refill. Okay, I bought the refill. First, the brand sent me this. I finished it because it's so easy to incorporate into your shower routine. It's like I shower right after the gym, sometimes shower at night, like to take off my makeup. And this is the cleanser I use right after the gym because it makes me feel so fresh and awake. I don't know, I just started using it and then I started liking it, unfortunately. So then sale season came around and the 7,000 rupee packet was now available to me at a low cost of 4500 rupees or something. So then I had to buy it because it was essentially like I was buying two new cleansers. I don't know, the math was mathing and I bought it and I have gone through half the refill. I still have another half of the refill left. I'm going to use it at some point, but I have a different cleanser that I'm using right now. Sadly, it is good. It actually is really good. I just like it. Okay, and I make no apologies for it. It's so extravagant, you really don't need it. Then I've emptied. It should come as no surprise to anybody that I've emptied an Indewild Dewy Lip Treatment. I feel I have emptied a couple of them, but I also have so many lip balms on rotation that it gets difficult for me to actually empty a lip balm. So the fact that that's empty should just speak for itself. The replacement for that is, I think, like 5 other lip balms. I could be here all day if I had to tell you that. So let's move on to sunscreens. I've emptied two of my favorite sunscreens because of how lightweight they are. They're so easy to blend into your skin. They don't leave any white cast. They don't cause any irritation, even the odd occasional burning of the eye, nothing of that sort. Both are really good. Both are from Korean brands. One is the Beauty of Joeson Aqua Relief Sun. The other is Roundlab's Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. Both are SPF 50 plus PA double plus double plus. So do with this information what you will, but I highly recommend you try both of these out. They are spectacular. Let's start with haircare. We have the Olaplex Duo. This is actually very good. I'm sorry to inform you. I refused to believe at one point that highly priced haircare even did anything, but sadly they do. The conditioner, the shampoo is so lightweight, it froths up so well. I don't know, just makes your hair feel so cleansed and so bouncy after a wash. And then pair that with the conditioner and you're just left with like silky smooth tresses. I don't know. And the dupe for these, actually, in case you're wondering, is the Indewild shampoo and conditioner, which is what is in my shower right now. But yeah, both of these are actually really good, and now I finally understand why the hair person at the salon insists on these so much. Like every single time they recommend this, and I actually understand it now. Then we have Treecell's Fort Ampoule treatment. This has also been featured in my empties previously because it's so good. It's like one of those water treatments you just put into your hair, thickens and becomes kind of like a mask, and then you wash it off. It's like a conditioner X mask collab. It says it's for extremely damaged hair. I don't know about that, but it makes your hair feel so soft and bouncy, and I feel like it's so good, especially for curly hair. Then we have Kerastase 8-hour magic night serum. So the way I've been using it is like 2 to 3 pumps at night, and then I braid my hair or something, and then when I wake up in the morning, if my hair's been blow dried or if there's hairspray on it, then this feels really good the next day after application and absorption. But if it's directly applied on just my dry hair, I feel like it doesn't do much. Maybe my hair just needs a lot more moisture than this offers. But yeah, I think it does something. I'm not sure exactly what, so therefore I'm not sure if I'll repurchase it. Then we have L'Oreal's L Net hairspray. I think this is like a hairstylist favorite. Everyone, I feel, at one point used to use these hairsprays. You can't go wrong with it, but it, I mean, obviously feels like a hairspray. The replacement I found for this is actually much better than this one. It's from Milkshake. It's the medium hold hairspray, and that one I feel actually does a lot more than the L'Oreal one does. I feel like my hair actually stays in place when I spray that one, so I highly recommend that over this. And the final empty I have is Moroccan Oil's treatment oil. This is very good. I am sorry to say it is expensive. All of these products I'm mentioning are expensive, but They are so good. And if you know me, if you've been here for a while, you'll know that I only recommend quality products. So save up or buy them on sale because they really, really do work. It's so lightweight, it's got oily texture and feeling, but it doesn't weigh your hair down like an oil does. It's so expensive that I only buy this like in the minis, because another thing about this is that you need so little of it and it lasts for ages. Like, I'm pretty sure this took me a year to finish, so it is actually really good, and it actually smells also so and then once you start using it, you want to use it all the time, at least for the smell. So now this thing comes in a mist form as well, in case you find that easier to use. Those are all my empties. I think I've caught you up to date on everything that I've managed to empty in the past few months. Very proud of myself. I just love it when I can empty a product, because we know in today's day and age of overconsumption and thousands of new product launches and thousands of new sales every day, every week, it becomes really tempting to buy new products and constantly shuffle up your skincare routine or hair care routine. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment. Please share this video with your friends or enemies, acquaintances, colleagues, anyone, someone. Not many of you are watching my YouTube videos as much as maybe a few months ago. I don't know why, I'm still trying to figure it out. So yeah, I would really appreciate if you give this video a share. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you next week with another video. Bye.